What does it take to become a doctor?
Knowledge, great determination.
Lots of studying and self-care.
A passion to heal and treat people is key.
Quality education and good infrastructure to train.
Over the years, there's one international medical college that has been providing students with everything they need to become world-class doctors. With state-of-the-art facilities, an incredible faculty of experts, an environment that fosters excellence, and a zeal to provide care to those who need it. Welcome to the Caspian International School of Medicine. Located in the city of Almaty in Kazakhstan, CISM has set the benchmark of medical education in Central Asia. Almaty is the cultural and commercial center for Kazakhstan. The city is famous for the towering peaks of mountains that offer tremendous ski slopes for the adventurous and beautiful views for the rest. Almaty is the quintessential mix of traditions and contemporary cultures.
Caspian University was established in 1992. Caspian International School of Medicine is a medical school under Caspian University. The mission of CISM is to train highly qualified medical professionals who are competitive and in demand in the global community. By the vertical and horizontal integration of medical sciences, we've created a dynamic and constantly evolving institution that stays abreast with the time and need of modern society.
My life in CISM Almaty has been absolutely wonderful. This place has been a revelation for me. Besides the beautiful sights, our university provides us with some incredible sporting amenities and a wonderful environment so that we can immerse in our academics.
मेरी बेटी का लक्ष्य एक ही है कि हमारे घर में भी एक डॉक्टर होना चाहिए कंपलसरी। जब बेटी ने बोला कि मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगी तो उसके सपने के सच करने के लिए मैंने CSM में भेजने के लिए निर्णय लिया है।
The university offers an outstanding array of academic programs. There are over 27 individual disciplines of medicine students can choose from for their specialization. All of this is done to ensure that our students find the best possible tutelage over their student years and enter the medical fraternity with all the knowledge they need.
Having a faculty of experienced doctors who are experts in their own domain is what sets CISM apart from other institutions. When we choose a specialization, we know we are in the hands of the best doctors who are ready to do whatever it takes to make us understand the subject. After all, it's about treating people and creating healthier society.
बचपन से ही मैंने अपनी बेटी को खुद से दूर कहीं नहीं छोड़ा है। उसकी इच्छा थी कि उसे MBBS करना है, तो उसने हमें भी मना लिया।
At CISM, we are creating modern doctors for a connected world. This means even our students are global. To make them feel even more welcome and allow them to settle in, we take special care to help them with their documentation and travel, to minimize the stress of leaving home and focus on their mission of treating people.
We are all global citizens now. The team helped me learn a little more about Kazakh culture and traditions, and they wanted to know about my Indian culture as well. It's this kind of open exchange that made us expand our mindset.
At CISM, we committed to providing students with the right education to become doctors. Everything from our pedagogy to our research wing is designed to help students excel and become doctors that any hospital across the world would be proud to have.
The curriculum at CISM has been designed keeping the global doctor in mind. Our certificate of recognition from the Medical Council of India, the European Union, and the World Health Organization can attest to the same.
मेडिसिन की पढ़ाई करने के लिए इंडिया में करोड़ों का खर्च होता है। हम जैसे लोग तो इतना पैसा कहाँ खर्च कर पाएंगे, लेकिन CISM में एडमिशन करा के मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
I've been training students for over 20 years now, and even I am constantly learning new and intriguing developments. It's an exciting time to be a teacher.
CISM has helped me make my dream of becoming a doctor come true. It's a place where you find an incredible education along with great global exposure. It's what makes the Caspian International School of Medicine such an incredible place to study. I would definitely recommend CISM to any student looking to pursue medicine.
जिस भरोसे के साथ हमने उसको वहाँ भेजा था, वो वैसे ही वहाँ बहुत सेफ है और बहुत खुश है। सोचो तो हम कहाँ पैदा हुए, कहाँ पले, सोचा भी नहीं था कि मेरी बेटी को स्टेज पे देखेंगे। माता पिता होने के नाते हम बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहे हैं।